Big up Crosses TV.
Frosty Steven, I can't take it out. I just can't take it. I go on with a bag of things. Sure.
A big pussy up. Dirty nana bomber blood clot up. Dirty nana bomber blood clot up. Dirty all up. All man blood clot up. Where your pussy grew up like the beard them under my face. Dirty old blood clot. All man up where by fuck. Hope if you not have no money, you not get no blood clot fuck. Come off of my blood clot friend and I Pickney them. You kill me blood clot friend, but you can't stop her Pickney them from entering a blood clot America. And you go get a surprise. You could have called immigration look more hope Tanny son I go enter in a blood clot America. Where you don't know older than your hope, you go get a gunshot in your blood clot. A dirty old hope. You instigate dead pa my friend. Make her soul rest in blood clot peace. And make her Pickney them prosper. Dirty old long time blood clot fuck out hope. Where used to catch man a blood clot Montego Bay. Hope we used to catch man pan the waterfront a blood clot Montego Bay. Leave blood clot Tanny Pickney them alone because you could have called immigration look more. Tanny Pickney go and come out in a blood clot America. And you go live to see him. Yeah, blood clot Florida. When you there New York, see him, you come a friend pass you and see a blood clot New York. I be a lie, you come blood clot tell you you only for fake clothes and fake bag and shoes them what you wear. Leave Tanny blood clot Pickney alone. When Tanny record this Crosses TV, dirty old nana old blood clot, big man hope you old long time and done out. And your pussy not have no ready night hope. That's why you have to buy blood clot fuck. And I talk about young boy a man you. Dirty hope. Leave Tanny and her blood clot Pickney them alone. You instigate dead pan them mama and them mama dead and rest in peace. Why you don't want Tanny little boy come out in America? You have a surprise to get. I hope you get ready for the blood clot surprise because you go drop and dead when you see Tanny. When you see Tanny son in a blood clot America, dirty nana old blood clot hope. Hope where your face look like blood clot GP prison. Hope where your face look like GP blood clot prison, your foot big like blood clot Titanic. Come off a blood clot Tanny now. Leave Tanny blood clot Pickney because you can't stop him from coming a blood clot England. Cause you are the plane buy fuck woman where you walk and buy cocky like how people buy food in a store. Dirty old long time over your pussy full of blood clot grey ear. You hear them by your pussy come like when snow a blood clot fall. Dirty old hope. Where you all fuck out and you not have no ready in your pussy, I be a blood clot black left in your dirty fuck out hole. Dirty catchman hope. Dirty nano bomber blood clot hope where you all busy like Christmas blood clot day. And you all busy like Christmas Eve. Dirty fuck box hope. Where pay be a little young boy for fuck out your dirty stinking hole. You kill my blood clot friend Tanny and her soul a rest in blood clot peace cause you think say her soul not gonna rest in peace but she rest in peace. Come off a Tanny blood clot Pickney them because you could have called immigration look more hope. Tanny son them a go in a blood clot in America and you go live and fret cause any day the next one come out him a go kill you. All you go on and a true fire and a call immigration hope. You go get a surprise because you go see Tanny blood clot son in America. Leave blood clot, my friend Pickney them alone. Dirty old long time. Buy fuck big tough big foot blood clot woman. Where your foot big like blood clot Titanic. Dirty nano pussy blood clot hope. Dirty long time hope I used to catch man. Pan the waterfront a blood clot Montego Bay. You come on Instagram and go like you any blood clot body. Dirty liar hope. You instigate dead pan Tanny and Tanny dead. Leave her Pickney them make her Pickney them prosper. You could have called immigration look about Tanny to Pickney them I got in America. Tanny to Pickney them I got in America. You go get a surprise. Don't worry yourself, hope we have a surprise to you. My mother always say fishes die by them mouth, and if them never eat too much of mother blood, them wouldn't dead. Dirty nana old big pussy blood clot long time woman. We're not gonna argue with blood clot Dan. And tough for them we attack how you old done out. Hope I used to catch man pan the waterfront. Leave my blood clot friend Pickney them alone, make them come in America come succeed and elevate and motivate themselves and make people like you drop and dead. Because you kill blood clot Tanny, but you can't kill the Pickney them. And me tell you say you're going dead. Hope you go dead like dog. Actually you don't even know where I plan over your blood clot head. You go talk about Tanny son can't come America because you call immigration and you call this. Don't worry hope. You have a surprise that come for you. Remember me tell you that coming and speak for women I know about. Look more from this, you gonna see blood clot Tanny son. Dirty long time buy fuck up. If you don't have money, you don't get blood clot fuck. Go fix your blood clot mouth to look like when abandoned building burn down. Because hope you have all this money and your teeth them full of gingivitis. Hope you have all this money and your teeth full of blood clot gingivitis. You need to spend some money for your blood clot mouth and arm hope. Because your hope look like when rice and peas burn in a pot blood clot bottom. I saw your mouth look dirty hope. Dirty old blood clot hope. Leave Tanny and her blood clot. Pickney them. You kill Tanny. No, you start on the girl. Pickney them. You can't stop them from coming to America. Because you're no blood clot immigration officer. Dirty no old big pussy, big foot blood clot. Long time hope. Hope I used to fuck out the whole of blood clot man to go be a waterfront. Because you was a blood clot prostitute. Hope you have all this money. And your mouth want fix. You can imagine your pussy. Hope your foot want reduce. Go spend some of your money for your blood clot foot. And go do a liposuction for your foot. Dirty old blood clot hope. And go to one of the fire station them in America. And make them use the fireman hose and wash out the shit them out of your blood clot mouth. Cause there be a gingivitis in your blood clot dirty mouth hope. You have all these money you need to spend some for your blood clot mouth. Because your mouth favor pit toilet. You know the toilet them where you sit on it and shit and the shit just drop down so plop and you not have to flush it away. You look back down in it and be a roach. Dirty old hope, leave my blood clot friend, make her soul rest in peace. You kill Tanny but you can't stop her son them from come a blood clot America. Cause where you don't know older than you, dirty nasty blood clot hope. Actually you don't know where the over your head dirty long time big fuck box blood clot woman where you used to catch man and you fuck out the whole of your latitude and fuck out the whole of your blood clot young days. That's why you're ending up a buy fuck. So like when people go to shop, go buy clothes, hope, go get some ear dye and dye the ear them for your blood clot pussy. Because me know so your pussy ear them supposed to grow up like the beard of the my blood clot face. Dirty long time big woman where if you don't have no money you don't get no blood clot fuck. Go clean out your mouth full of ginger blood clot vitis. And me can imagine so your pussy dirty too and full of blood clot ginger vitis. Dirty old hope. Leave my blood clot friend and her Pickney. You kill her, you want text it on the girl blood clot Pickney them. Go and go kill your blood clot self because you're tormented. You're the only rich woman now live no life. You come for life yesterday and talk about you there for your vacation in a blood clot in a Miami. I'm a friend passed yesterday in New York. Dirty old hope. You come for live yesterday, but you're there on vacation and you're there in Florida. And my friend passed yesterday in New York. Stand up at one corner like you want blood clot, wandering sheen. Leave my blood clot friend alone and go kill your blood clot self. Just like how you kill Tanny. You kill Tanny, make her soul rest in peace. Now you come talk about her Pickney them. Me say you go get a shock her life, your life, because you go see the little boy in a blood clot America. Where you don't know older than your dirty old, nana old blood clot hope. You need to go sign one contract with the blood clot toothpaste factory and make them make a special toothpaste for you to clean out your dirty mouth because you have all this money and your blood clot teeth full of gingivitis. Your mouth look like some old time abandoned blood clot toilet where they're in a prison. Move your stinking dibby old long time pussy blood clot where your pussy ear them want die with blood clot battery. Dirty woman, come out from a blood clot friend now and make her soul rest in peace. You're all drunk, you.